As you can see, Mr. Peanut is not happy. He knows he's going to the groomers, but when he comes home, he is going to be handsome. Right, baby? You're going to be handsome. You're going to be real happy when you get home.
Well, you know it's grooming time, and Mr. Peanut, even though he doesn't look very happy, he is going to come back so handsome, and he's going to be so happy how he looks. I can't wait to share with you how he turns out.
Good morning to my awesome friends and family. It's grooming time. It's time to take Mr. Peanut to the groomers. We have him cleaned and groomed at Holiday Pets. Phone number is 875-2521. They've been in business for about 60 years. We've only been going to them for a little over 20 years. They are an awesome facility here in town, and they do a great, great job. Always am happy with what they do. Here is the owner of this business. Isn't she beautiful? She gives so much love and care to the cats and dogs that come in to this facility. You would think they belong to her. She wants everyone to leave happy. They keep the place very clean, very well organized, and they are always thinking of the pets that come in. And of course, they also are very, very interested in the community. Here is a sign of one little dog that got lost, and they're even trying to help the owner find the little baby. And they're being very generous, a reward of $500. So, like I said, they're always thinking of everyone. And you can see all the pictures along the walls and all the pets that have been in here. Look how they have it decorated so cute for Halloween. They always decorate for the holidays, and they make it so nice to come in, and it always smells good and looks clean. That's very important when you go to a groomer. You don't want the place to be dirty and filthy. They always take such good care of the pets and give them so much love and care. I always am happy to see how Mr. Peanut looks when I pick him up. I showed you a picture of what he looked before he went there, and I'm going to show you some pictures of what he looks after he's been there. And you can see some more pictures on the walls of some more little pets that have come in to this groomer and made beautiful once again. That's all that most dogs need, a little love and some good grooming, and they always get something nice when they come. They really spoil them to pieces. They always give them a little scarf to wear out, for they always look so, so cute. And they are always good about appointment times, and you get your dogs back when you're supposed to. No one hangs around longer than they have to. Today, they called me a half hour early and had Mr. Peanut ready to go. And I just love this groomer. So if you're looking for a groomer in Rialto area, this is the one you should be looking for.
From the groomers, he's looking pretty handsome, isn't he? Hey, look at the big smile. He's so happy he's home. Let me get that ear.
How cute he looks. Yes, look at him. He's all dressed up and ready for Halloween. Mr. Peanut.
Mr. Peanut, turn around. There, look at that pretty face. He's being camera shy. Oh my gosh, he's going to sit back and all I'm going to get to see is his back. That is not being very good. You need to turn around, Mr. Peanut. I guess he's telling me you can't make me turn around. But he looks super cute. Look at his wonderful little scarf. Isn't it cute? And he looks all nice and handsome, all done from the groomers. Well, let me go see if I can get a front picture of this baby. You know, I don't think he's going to want me to take any pictures of him today. Yes, you're being difficult. Everyone always wants to see how cute you are. And they're not getting to see the cute Peanut. Oh well, I guess that's the best I'm going to get out of him. No good pictures of Mr. Peanut today.